Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for medical admission. First, research the specific requirements for your desired medical schools, as these can vary significantly. Next, focus on excelling in your science coursework, including biology, chemistry, and physics, to build a robust academic foundation. Simultaneously, seek out meaningful clinical experiences and volunteer roles to demonstrate your commitment and understanding of healthcare. These initial steps are crucial for a successful application. To study effectively, establish a consistent daily schedule, allocating dedicated time for each subject. Employ active learning methods such as practice questions, flashcards, and teaching concepts to others to solidify your understanding. Spaced repetition can significantly improve long-term memory retention. Focus on developing strong critical thinking and problem-solving abilities, which are essential for tackling challenging medical concepts and standardized tests. The MCAT is a critical component, so dedicate ample time to comprehensive preparation, aiming for a competitive score. Next, focus on crafting compelling personal statements that highlight your unique experiences and motivations for medicine. Secure strong letters of recommendation from professors and supervisors who know you well. Finally, practice your interview skills extensively, preparing for both traditional and MMI-style questions, including ethical dilemmas and behavioral scenarios. Maintaining your well-being throughout this demanding process is paramount. Prioritize self-care, ensuring you get adequate sleep, manage stress effectively, and engage in activities you enjoy. Seek out mentors, such as current medical students or practicing physicians, who can offer invaluable guidance and support. Remember to stay persistent and resilient, learning from every experience. For easy meal prep solutions and other great deals, check out the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.